Well, do you use internet very much?
Yes, definitely. I use it on daily basis. I use internet for my studies, for research based material I find on internet, and also I use internet for chatting purpose with my family who live abroad.
Okay, a chatting purpose with my family that is living abroad, so that's
Who are
fine.
living
Who are living abroad is also fine. When was the first time you used the internet?
I remember when I was in college, around 14-15 years old. Then we got a computer and internet connection. We got internet and computer and internet connection set up at our home, and we were really excited when we have a computer.
When we had a computer and for the first time I used internet. Is the internet very important to you?
Yes, it is very important. It helps us keep update and also provide us a source of information and entertainment. So it is very important for me.
Okay. Do you think children should use the internet?
Yes, I definitely children should use internet because they can learn so much from internet. Many things we cannot explain to them. Like for my own kid, I have to search some videos, tutorial to explain some subjects or some specific topic that I cannot explain. So I make sure that he can understand through the tutorial that I found.
Okay. Do you think you can live without the internet?
Well, I don't think so. I can live without internet. It's very hard to imagine a life without internet because then you will feel alone, and the left one, if we do not have internet, we cannot connect to the outer world, and we cannot have the information what is going around.
Okay. Do you think internet is expensive in your country?
I don't think so. There are many packages available for mobile and for the devices. Like many companies provide internet at very cheap rates, and different packages people can have.
Okay. All right. Overall, it's fine. But try to be a little more confident and a little more sure about your answers.
Okay.
Yeah, that's important. Okay. Good job.